Hey everyone, and welcome to another LightWork training video. In this one we're going to talk about just making sure you add some of the details that you need to on your floor plans. So if we go into a job, and my favourite job again, belly full of lollies. Now under spaces, this is where there's some things that are constantly changing under each of the schemes, what the requirements are. But one of the most recent ones is, some of the most recent ones are, you must have compulsory, the floor plan measurements are compulsory on your drawings. So here I've got, if I just select, I've got some text there, I'll get that out of the way, but here you can see, move that, you can see there's 400, so there's 400 meters here, so it's quite a very long floor plan, but you can select that, move it around, make it longer, make it shorter, or delete it, so I'll delete it. And how you add the measurements on, as they are compulsory, is this button here on the left. So you can see it's sort of like a door open button for an elevator. If I click that, then I can actually draw it on. So you just drag your finger along the screen of where you want that to be, and then it pops up. Now it remembers the length of the room from your space details earlier, or if you want the width, it remembers that. Or let's say you just want to add on some more measurements in other areas of your drawing, you can click other and then punch in whatever you need. So this one's the length, so I'll choose length, and you can see the 400 comes up there. Now there's actually currently no measurements for the toilet that I've put here in the space details, because if you look at that you can see the dimensions. Length is 400, width is 50. I won't change that, but let's say you want to put the measurements on there. So you select your measuring tool, drag it down the side of the bathroom, and you just select other, and you can just say 5 meters. There you go. And if you want to do the length of it as well, other, it's a bit much, probably 12 meters. There you go. So it's that easy, and you can mark on as many of those as you like, but you do have to have a minimum of 2. So once you've done that, you can save your drawing. Oops. Let's go back in. There we go. So all my measurements are still there. The other thing that you need to do now in New South Wales is you need to mark a minimum of 2 features on the floor plan. So you can do that with either text, so adding text describing something. You know, I've written on there toilets over here, so that's one descriptor, and also maybe you might have a set of stairs. Maybe there's some stairs in the corner that you wanted to add on, wherever they might be located. So that's another feature. You can also add, you know, elevators if there's an elevator in like a car park or something. So you need to have a minimum of 2 features. So that's just one other thing that you need to add to your drawings these days. It's not the case if you upload an existing floor plan or you take a photo of a floor plan, but if you're just drawing it from scratch using the LightWork drawing tools, then you do need to have some identification features around your floor plans. And that goes for every space. Alright, I hope this feature video was helpful. Please contact us directly if you have any feedback or any questions.